Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is professional mockup PSD. Total folder is 22 and size is 2.58 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in two parts. And first, subscribe my telegram channel Sheri official. I will provide every link of video first here. And next is my password app. All password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri and buy now in $4.99 all password in this app. And here is my Facebook page. I will provide every video here like a YouTube channel. Okay, here is a trifold mockup. You can import your own design or picture. Here is airport, billboard, screen. Put your portrait design. There is beer bottle, book mockup, book, and here is book. Business card. For example, open this one and you can import any design. Here is design 1 and here is design 2. For example, open this one, drag there, Control S for saving. Now our design is here. Now next is Chinese food box, but you can write anything, not special for Chinese food. Cosmetic mockup, and here is device mockup like a laptop. Fashion sale screen. Okay, frame mockup. Here is just one photo frame. You can write any photo or post. iMac screen. Here is sticker. Here is travel or rent. Powder mockup. Okay, and here is a road gate sign banner. Download from my website. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write here ESK, follow on my Facebook page and also in Telegram channel, write here ESK official. Okay, I hope these mockup are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.